So we all know the global economy is hitting hard. Everyone is winging it. People are finding numerous ways to legitimately earn income, make more money online. Now, especially as a student who depends on, probably your parents, your guardians, and people to support you and see you through school. In this age of internet and social media or whatever it is you want to call it, you can comfortably make a couple of, thousands and millions online through genuine means. So in this video, I'm going to share with you 6 ways that you can earn money online as a student in Nigeria. This will work for students in Nigeria, in other African countries, and probably anywhere around the world because the internet is a global sensation. Online money making opportunity is open to everyone in the world. So in this video, I'm going to share with you 6 of them. There are a lot of them, okay? But for the sake of time, we are just going to key into 6 that are easy to start. They have a very low entry barrier. They have a very low entry barrier, and it does not require huge capital because as a student you don't need to start something that will require a lot of capital and take away your time. So these 6 opportunities I'm going to share with you, they don't take a lot of your time, and it does not require huge capital. All right, welcome to my channel. My name is Courage. I will only ask that you please give this video a thumbs up, like this video, and along the line, if you enjoy the information I'm giving you, you can subscribe to my channel and also share this video to as many people as possible you know will find it helpful. So without wasting time, let's dive into why we are here. Number one, get good at online advertising, right? There's Facebook ads, Instagram ads, TikTok ads, YouTube ads, Google ads. This stuff, there's a lot of money to be made in it. These are money printing opportunities. Every blessed day of my life, I receive DMs, requests, WhatsApp messages from people, business owners who want me to help them out with their adverts. If, for instance, I charge these people 50,000 naira, I believe that every day I will have at least 10 people giving me 50K. If you multiply 10 by 50, you'd have seen how much I've made in just one day. But I don't engage in that anymore. So I just kind of refer them elsewhere. This is to show you that the opportunities are there. Numerous business owners are struggling to make sales. They are struggling to increase their sales. They are struggling to stay on profit. They are struggling to attract new customers. If you learn online advertising, it is easy. I have a couple of videos on my channel that I have taught on how to run social media adverts, Facebook and Instagram ad. If you know how to do these things, you are going to make a lot of money. TikTok advert, especially for Africans, Nigerians, Ghanaians, these kind of countries, yeah. This TikTok is not allowing us to run advert yet. However, there are ways people are doing it. So if you're able to figure out how to handle this, learn it ahead of time, because it's only a matter of time. They are going to open up their windows to Africans, yeah, and will start using their advert platforms. So learn it ahead of time and position yourself so that when that time comes and they open their window, you will be among the top people who will be contacted to run adverts for businesses. Easy. YouTube ads, Google ads, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and these things are easy to learn. There are a lot of free videos on YouTube that will teach you. Watch those videos, learn it, offer it as a service. Maybe you can offer the first 3, 4 people for free. When they see the results you are giving them, they will now give you video testimonial. You have to sign that you will do it for free, but they will give you video testimonial. With these their video testimonials, you can use it to now attract other people that listen, look at what other businesses are saying. This is what I did for them. I can do better. I can do better for you and give you a higher result. People will pay you good money. So yes, as a student, it does not take your time. It does not require capital to start. So you can start as soon as possible, and I assure you, you're going to start seeing results, and you will be glad that you started. Number two, mobile video editing. We are now in the era of video content. Everywhere you turn to left, Facebook video content, right, Instagram video content, TikTok video content, here YouTube Shorts, here everywhere video content. So there are thousands of people, business owners, YouTubers, TikTok business people, everywhere you turn. People want their videos to pop. Like people need exciting, attractive, interesting videos. Unfortunately, not many people can edit videos, right? There are different tools you can use. There is InShot, there is it CapCut, there is captions. There are different stuff that you can use. Learn how to make create video transitions, learn how to fuse videos, learn how to put b-rolls, learn how to overlay, learn how to put words, is it transcription, different stuff, subtitles and different stuff. Just learn how to edit videos with mobile phone, with a smartphone. It's called mobile video editing. People are paying for these things. Like, people are paying for these things. They are paying good money, not 10,000, not 20, not 30. People are paying good money to have people edit their videos. Portrait videos. People pay good money to have them edit it. If you learn this, practice it, become good at it, use people's video to just practice and post on social media. Other people are going to contact you to do the same thing for them. For instance, you want to get Mr. B to pay you to edit a video. Go and look for old videos that they've posted. Download those videos, edit it, put effects, put visual effects, put different overlays, do it, send it to the person and say, "Sir, this is what I did with your previous video. I believe that if I work with you, I can give your video more reach, more excitement. I can add more excitement, more feel, more vibe to your video, and help you attract and retain more viewership." People love those things and they will pay you to do it for them. So think about it. Number three, become a UGC creator. In this day, I see young people, they are the top UGC creators right now. UGC means user generated content. Young people are taking over. Okay, people are making a living. Like, I see them charge as some charge 30,000, some charge 50,000, some charge six figures to create videos. You can create video for physical business, for physical product sellers, for e-commerce people, even for uh, course creators, right? For digital product owners. Simply become a UGC creator in this digital economy. All you need is a phone that has a good camera, a microphone, lapel mic, all this wireless microphone. And if you know how to talk and face the mic and face the camera, you are good to go. Somebody can send you their product and say, "Okay, this is the product, make a video for us." They pay you and they send the product to you. You make the video, you send back to them. Business is done. You can have up to five clients in a month paying you maybe 100,000, maybe 50,000, maybe 30K, 40K, depending on your stage and your level. As a student, if you are making 300 to 500K in a month, it is something for starters, but you have to start somewhere. UGC is one of those things. User generated content. Go and learn about it. You see a lot of young girls doing it. See a lot of adverts on Facebook by some popular faces popping up, and you wonder what's going on. It is UGC. Think about it. There's a lot of money to be made there. Number four, become a realtor. Become a realtor. Real estate is a lucrative business. Realtors, what they simply do is to help these real estate companies to sell their land or their houses. When you make a sale, you get paid a commission, usually 10%. Some are lesser, some can be 7%, some can be 5%, depending on your agreement with them. Okay. So as a realtor, you will earn commissions. All right. As a realtor, you will earn commissions. Amazing commissions, actually, when you sell properties, when you sell land or houses, and it costs you zero naira to start. And this is highly lucrative business, honestly. I have some realtors who are under a platform that I created, and most of them are making sales, and I'm paying them up to 15% commission, right? So you can become a realtor. If Look out for the real estate companies within the zone where you are schooling or where you live. Sign up with them, undertake trainings, go through the trainings, right? Go through those trainings and learn how to attract prospects, learn how to close deals, and you can start making sales. If it is 10%, if you sell a property worth 1 million naira, 10% is about 100K. That is for you. If you sell a land worth 2 million naira, 10% is 200K. That is for you. These things are not so easy, but people, students like you are doing it. In my own platform, we have students from Enugu, students from Moka, students in Asaba, people in Lagos, in Port Harcourt, Abuja. Students, they are closing deals every week. I am paying them commissions, 15%. It is not easy, but they are doing it. So if they can do it, why not you? Think about it. Become a realtor. It doesn't take a lot of your time, and you are going to enjoy doing this business because it is highly lucrative. Number five, graphics designing. My graphics design guy, I pay him, right? He just does, sometimes he just does one or two graphics, and I give him 50K because the work does not even require a lot of things. These are things I can do on Canva, but I don't have that time. Sometimes I can do just one graphic work for me, and I give him 50K. People charge. There are people who charge way more than that. There are some who charge less than that. But the idea is for you to know that people are making money. People are making money. Okay, people are making money doing these things. People are making money doing these things. So learn how to do graphic design. There's Canva. You can learn how to start doing this stuff with Canva. All right. There are millions of businesses around the world ready to pay you. All you have to do is create beautiful, appealing, exciting, enticing, eye-catchy designs. There are real estate businesses, there are medical businesses, there are pharmaceutical businesses, there are fashion lines, okay, different kind of businesses, furnitures, interior beauty businesses that can pay you to create catchy graphics for them as a graphics designer if you know what you are doing. It is lucrative. Think about it. As a student, these things are going to help you. All of these things I'm saying, if you do not take the time to practice 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, you have practiced, you have become better, you start offering your skill as a service, people are going to pay you. Number six, start a YouTube channel, all right? Or just vlog about your daily challenges and activities as a student. Vlog about these things. It is free to start. You know the good thing, it will take a while. Honestly, it's going to take a while. But once you get monetized, the dollars will continue to flow in every month to your account. And there's a good thing as also, you don't just get money on YouTube through AdSense. So there are different ways, different collaborations, different partnership ways, different stuff you can sell to make money via YouTube. You don't just depend on AdSense. But AdSense also pays you every month. See, when you start a YouTube channel and you get monetized as a student, do you know what that means? It means that by the time you are out of school with your peers, you have graduated, when people are taking their CVs to submit to look for work, you are earning in dollars from YouTube. You now have a lot of time in your hand to focus fully on YouTube and take it as a full-time business, earning in dollars back to back. It is a flex. When I started my own channel, in less than 1 month, I got 1K subscribers. In less than 3 months, I was monetized. And since then, I have been earning money in dollars. I've made thousands of dollars from YouTube. YouTube can change your life. YouTube can pay you every month. You are going to make a lot of money. You are not going to make big money as a beginner, but along the line, over time, you start seeing huge results. Okay, I personally I make in the tune of I make some thousands of dollars. I'm not going to mention it, but there are other bigger YouTubers who make more and more and more than people like us, and we are still getting there. And you that is coming, you will still get there. It is stage by stage. Start a channel, teach what you know, or share your daily struggles, daily challenges, daily activities as a student. Other students or other people can relate to your videos. They're going to watch. They're going to relate to your personality also. I also created a course that we guide people on how to start and get the channel monetized faster. Right? I made this course to help newbies or people who want to start a channel. It's going to be helpful to you. If you want the course, you can get it. Right? It's on Seller. So just simply go to www.seller.co/YouTube. Right? Here, www.seller.co forward slash YouTube. You can simply get my course here. It is at 5K, but it's discounted, so you can get it for only 20,000 naira. All right, you can go ahead and get it before the price goes back to that 5,000. So get it, learn how to start, grow, and monetize a YouTube channel faster. This is a practical guide to starting, growing, and monetizing a YouTube channel faster. The ultimate YouTube success blueprint. I created this course. Right? You're going to learn everything, both YouTube SEO, both everything, how to optimize your channel, how to optimize your videos, how to get views, how to grow. All right. These things are things that are going to help you so that by the time you are done schooling, people are looking for job. You are not looking for job. You are focusing on your full-time YouTube. You are earning dollars every months. If you want that kind of lifestyle in the future, you have to start now. Get my course, and I will see you on the inside. All right. So, guys, thank you for watching this video. Please make sure you like this video, comment, and share. If you have any question, please comment in the comment section. I'm there to attend to you. I'm there to answer all your questions. If you'd like to connect with me on social media, these are my handles here: Courage Ingele on Instagram, TikTok, everywhere, Twitter. My name is Courage Ingele. I'll see you in my next video.